Hello everybody, welcome to this video. My name is Sergio and today I'm going to deep dive you in the platform HubSpot and how to use the description and the AI facilities that it's included with the plan, right? What I can tell you right now is that you have to enable the AI assistant for your program, for your panel, right? So you will have to go to settings, go down into the left bar and look for AI assistance, and I enable this option that says customer analysis. You can turn it off, you can turn it back on. In this case, what is going to tell you this tool is basically it's going to enable the AI to understand what you have been doing in either a call, conversation, in the mobile app, in a report, in a workflow, or in the extension itself. It will generate summaries, responses, and many other options that you can use to work on your workflows. For this video, I'm going to only show you how it works on creating a description and a categorization of the workflow that you just created or that you could create, right? So once this is turned on, you will be able to go into the automation parts, go to workflow. For the intent of this video, I'm going to use this workflow that we have here. As you can see, the name is contact assigned to James to be set in progress status. As I mentioned, it will have to be a trigger. The contact owner is any of James, and once this trigger is in a contact, we will set the lead status to in progress. You can do it as elaborate as you want, and it will work exactly the same. For the intent of this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable it. So you go into the name. As you can see here, it will enable a blue button that says generate with a little star, and here it's telling you click generate and HubSpot AI will write for you a description of the workflow. You can go ahead and click on the description and it tells you what it's doing right now. So it updates list status to in progress when the contact owner is James of HubSpot AI. You can go ahead and click on save and you will have a description of it. If you want to go into a more detailed workflow that you may have on, you can use this one here, in which we have multiple triggers and asset value. So on this one, I cannot edit it here, but let me go ahead and show you another one here. For example, this one here, again, has multiple triggers and send an email. You will be able to go ahead and click on generate, and it will give you a description of it. Sends a ticket receive email when a ticket is in support pipeline with the status new and the source is not chat. Once you have done that, you can go ahead and click on save. I really hope that this video explains a little bit more of how you can enable and how can you take more advantage of the AI of HubSpot. And we will come back with you for more videos on how to enhance your platform with AI. Thank you so much for your time.